Picture this, condensing 13.8 billion years into a single year-long cosmic calendar. What mysteries would unfold? As we embark on this odyssey through time and space, let's delve into the very fabric of existence, from the fiery birth of stars to the emergence of our own humble abode, Earth. Every moment is a cosmic symphony waiting to be explored. Join us as we rewind to the dawn of time itself, to January 1st, where the universe ignites with boundless potential. Each passing second echoes eons of cosmic evolution, shaping the very essence of our existence. But why stop at mere observation? Engage with us, share your thoughts, your questions, as we navigate the depths of space together. What celestial wonders captivate your imagination? Drop a comment below, and let's embark on this cosmic voyage as one. And remember, fellow travelers, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more mind-bending explorations of the cosmos. Together, let's unlock the secrets of the universe and expand our horizons beyond the stars. The universe began with a bang. Imagine an incredibly hot and dense point suddenly expanding super fast. It was like a cosmic explosion. But back then, it was too hot for even tiny particles to exist. As time passed, things cooled down. Tiny particles called quarks and electrons came into being. They joined together to make protons and neutrons, the stuff we're all made of. About 14 minutes into the cosmic calendar, things chilled enough for electrons to start orbiting atomic nuclei. This led to the birth of the first atoms, hydrogen and helium. And guess what? They emitted light for the first time, like a cosmic flashbulb. But hold on, there were no stars yet. The universe was still in its baby stage, glowing faintly like a sunset. This glow lasted for about 3 million years before fading away into invisible light. Imagine the universe plunged into darkness for millions of years. That's what scientists call the Dark Ages. No light, just darkness, and the universe felt awfully alone. On January 8th, something magical unfolds. Out of the gas and dust from the Big Bang, gravity starts weaving its spell and crafts the very first stars. These stars are unlike our sun, made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Stars are like cosmic alchemists, transforming lighter elements into heavier ones in their hearts. This process births the metals scattered throughout the universe. And since these are the universe's debut stars, there's no previous recipe for making these metals. They're hefty too, maybe tens or even hundreds of times larger than our sun. But their lifespan is short, less than 1 million years. Surprisingly, despite their ancient age, we've yet to catch a glimpse of these celestial pioneers. Fast forward to January 19th, and the sky is lit up with stars twinkling and supernovae bursting. Gravity's relentless pull begins to sculpt the first galaxies. They start small, but grow over time by joining forces with their cosmic neighbors. A few days later, our very own Milky Way galaxy enters the scene. At this cosmic juncture, the universe is just a sprightly 6% of its current age. Meanwhile, the grand tapestry of the universe, reminiscent of the brain's neural pathways, begins to form. Gravity orchestrates galactic clusters, laying the groundwork for the colossal superclusters we see today. It's a long journey to April 11th, when stars similar to our sun finally start to emerge. These stars shine with heavier elements like iron and carbon, paving the way for the birth of rocky, Earth-like planets. This could mark a turning point in the universe, as it enters an era where life-supporting planets begin to take shape. Then, on September 1st, our sun and its early entourage begin to coalesce. First, the proto-sun ignites, and soon after, The gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus start to form. Back then, Neptune and Uranus hang much closer to the inner solar system than they do now. Some stargazers speculate that before this stage, one or more ice giant planets might have emerged, only to be flung out of our solar system later on. Our Sun ignites for the very first time, kicking off its 10 billion-year journey by fusing hydrogen into helium. Just a blink later, the rocky planets start to take shape: Earth, Mars, Mercury, and Venus. But there's a lesser-known character in this cosmic drama: Theia. Theia, a planet as big as Mars, perhaps harbored dreams of becoming Earth's twin. But fate had a different plan. The Great Collision changed everything. Theia crashes into our young Earth with unimaginable force, scattering debris throughout the early solar system. From this chaos, Theia emerges, but not as a planet. Instead, it becomes our faithful moon, forever bound to Earth. After 22 more days of Earth's growth, filled with volcanic eruptions, ice ages, and seismic rumblings, something enchanting unfolds. For the first time ever, life bursts forth in the deep seas of our young planet. According to the leading theory, life springs from the ocean floor near volcanic vents. The intense pressures, volcanic fluids, and seawater mix to kickstart the creation of organic molecules, the very stuff life is made of. These pioneering life forms are simple, single-celled prokaryotes. And guess what? Similar conditions exist elsewhere in the cosmos. Right here in our own solar system, moons like Enceladus and Europa harbor vast oceans beneath their icy shells. Who's to say life isn't brewing there as we speak, just as it once did on Earth? Perhaps it's already happened, and we're just yet to discover it. As we near the end of the year, some significant moments come into view. On October 3rd, the scene is set as the first photosynthetic bacteria make their debut. They start by absorbing infrared light and producing sulfur instead of oxygen. Then, on October 21st, a newcomer named cyanobacteria steps in with a beautiful act. Using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, it cooks up its meals through photosynthesis, with oxygen as a tasty side dish. And that oxygen? It becomes our lifeline, first filling the oceans, then our atmosphere, in what's known as the Great Oxidation Event. Life kicks into high gear. Microbes team up to form new, more complex life forms. Fast forward to December 17th, just a week before Christmas, and fish take a giant leap forward in evolution. They sprout skulls and backbones. In the wee hours of December 20th, at 2:15 a.m., the first sharks glide through the ocean depths, and barely 19 hours later, the first trees push through the Earth's surface. Can you imagine? Sharks beat trees to the scene by a whopping 30 million years. So, there you have it, folks. December 30th, a date etched in history. The dinosaur killer asteroid makes its deadly mark on Earth, changing the course of life as we know it. This cataclysmic event, like 10 billion atomic bombs going off, wipes out 75% of all species, including the mighty dinosaurs. But wait, here's the twist. Our distant mammal ancestors survive against all odds. It's a tale of resilience and adaptation in the face of utter devastation. And guess what? We're here today because of their tenacity. Hit that subscribe button and dive deeper into the wonders of space science.